Hey there, let's dive into the Vanexiss Rechargeable 3-way mirror for haircutting, a game changer for your grooming routine. This innovative mirror features real glass and adjustable trifold panels, giving you a 360-degree view for flawless DIY haircuts, makeup, shaving, and styling. With 3 color temperature LED lights, natural white, warm white, and white, you'll enjoy impeccable lighting that can be dimmed or intensified with a simple long press, ensuring you always look your best. The built-in 1500 mAh lithium battery makes it rechargeable and portable, allowing you to use it anywhere, anytime, without the hassle of cords. Say goodbye to expensive barber trips and hello to convenience, as this mirror's strong adjustable brackets allow for hands-free use on any door, ensuring it's always at the perfect height. Unlike other mirrors that use acrylic, this one offers a clear, fog-free, and distortion-free reflection, so you can see every detail with precision. Just remember to peel off the protective film before your first use, and you're all set for a professional grooming experience at home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.